Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, tow hitch, lane departure warning, DVD system, Bluetooth, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.